Hi everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Tag Creations Blooming Indulgence Die Collection for Ink to Paper's May 2019 release. This die collection was designed by Jennifer Campbell, and there are over 40 dies in this die collection that will come already wired together. I've already snipped mine apart, but they retail for $35. And in this die collection you get a lot of different leaves. These are all the leaves. I put them together on my magnet sheet like this so I can see them all. And then you also get flower building components. So all the different blooms, here's some here, and then there, the rest of them here. The flower center parts are these smaller ones here that I put together right here. And then you have also a tag that has a stitch border, circle tag with a stitch border. You have a large rectangle, and then you have some little pennant banners you can add to build an actual banner, and then a skinny banner. So lots to do in this die collection. Again, retails for $35. Here are some of the die cuts that I have already die cut from different colors. So these are from just a limeade ice type of color green, and these are from die cut from a watercolor paper that I have watercolored with limeade ice watercolor reinker. If you want to see what the blooms look like separately, just die cut. Here is an example of that, and you would just take one at a time and build them together. Different colors, of course, ink blending techniques, whatever you like. There are also smaller blooms like these here. These are some smaller bloom options. Here's an orange one here. So there's a lot of things you can do with it. You can put different embellishments for the flower centers if you want, as an option. And here you can see I used a little bit of a Versamarker watermark pen to add some type of detail, some shadowing effect, and then I use a black marker just to add the little dots for the stamens there. So you can also think creatively and add your own embellishments like I did. The main thing I want to point out here is to remember to check on the product page. We have here a guide so you can see how to build the blooms, also how to build the leaves if you need some assistance on how to do that. You don't have to build them this way. Sometimes you might not want one of these layers, like this layer here doesn't have to be put in, and this is an example of that here. I didn't put the second layer there, and the bloom still looks beautiful. So you have the option to do that. You also have the guide to how to build the actual banner too. So don't forget to look for that. So here is something just to show you how a finished card can look with some blooms and leaves already put together with one of the banners and one of the sentiments that from Just Sentiments tagged stamp set, and just a background from a loosely woven stamp set. So really quick and easy to put something together, really beautiful. You not only can just build blooms for a card, but of course, since it comes with a tag, you can make tags as well with the circle stitch tag. And then here is the larger banner as an example. So of course you can always put this on a card design, or you can put this on a packaging design. So those options are also available to you. So I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video of Tag Creations Blooming Indulgence. I hope you have a great time die cutting and building your own blooms.